So let's look at multiplying decimals. So 67.82 times 6. And we're just going to multiply from right to left. So 6 times 2 is 12. 2 carry the 1. 6 times 8 is 48 plus 1 is 49. Carry the 4. Remember, decimal point just falls down. 6 times 7 is 42 plus 4 is 46. 6 times 6 is 36 plus 4 is 40. So 406.92. Right, next one is 99.99 times 8. 99.99 times 8. So 8 times 9 is 72. So 2 carry the 7. 8 times 9 is 72. Plus 9 is 79. So 9 carry the 7. And that's point. 8 times 9 is 72. Plus 7 again is 79. And then 8 times 9 is 72 plus 9 is 70. So 79. So 799.92. Okay. Right, now on to dividing. 289.6. What we're going to do is we're going to do a little bus stop. Okay, for division. And 289.6, so that one comes first. So it has a spot underneath the bus stop. And 8 has to wait outside. So 8 to 2 doesn't go. 8 into 28 goes 3 times with the remainder 4. 8 into 49 goes 6 times with remainder 1. 8 into 16 goes twice. So it's 36.2 is your answer. Right, again, 591.36 divided by 6. So 591.36 is going to go underneath the bus stop because it came first. And then 6 is the way outside. So 6 into 5 doesn't go. 6 into 59 goes 9 times with the remainder 5. 6 into 59 goes 8 times with remainder 3. 8 into 33 goes 5 times with remainder 3. 6 into 36 goes 6 times. So 98.56. Okay, so multiplying decimal points by multiples of 10, 100, and 1,000. First thing we're going to go through is multiplying by 10, 100, 1,000. And also dividing by them as well. So first thing, if we're multiplying by 10, what you got to think is you're making that number 10 times bigger. So what you're actually going to do is you're going to move the decimal point one space over to the right. So 23.45, that's going to become 234.5. Okay, if you're multiplying it by 100, okay, same idea, but we're going to move it 2 spaces, okay, to the right. So 56.712 times 100 is 5,671.2. Right, with the third one, 1.349 divided by 1,000. I'm going to write that out again, 1.349. And we're going to divide it by 1,000 this time. Okay, so it's going to get 1,000 times smaller. So I'm going to move that decimal point 1, 2, 3 spaces. Okay, so in theory it should be here. So 0 point, and then everywhere there's a gap, just put a 0. So there's two gaps there, and then there's 1, 3, 4, 9. Okay, so your answer is 0.001349. Okay. If we're multiplying by 40, the way I would do this is I would break this 40 into times it by 4, and then times it by 10. Okay, or whatever the multiple was. So if it's 400, I'll do times 4, then times by 100. So we're going to do 67.45 times 4. So 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 2 is 18. 4 times 7 is 28. Plus 1 is 29. 4 times 6 is 24. Plus 2 is 26. So 269.8. And then we get times it by 10. So I'm going to take a decimal point, I'm going to move it one space to the right. So it becomes 2698 as my final answer. Okay, so 98.15 times 400. So we're going to see same thing as before. I'm doing 98.15, times it by 4 first, and then we're going to times it by 100. So 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is 36 plus 3 is 39. So it's 392.60. And then we're going to times it by 100 or move that decimal point 2 spaces to the right. So it's going to become 330. So it's going to become 39,260. Right, last one. We're going to divide 1,455.2 by 200. So I'm going to do dividing by 2 first. So little bus stop, 2 there. 2 into 1 doesn't go. 2 into 14 goes 7 times. 2 into 5 goes twice, remainder 1. 2 into 15 goes 7 times, remainder 1. 2 into 12 goes 6 times. Okay. So that's dividing by 2, and then I'm going to divide by 100. So we're going to move the decimal point 2 spaces to the left. So it's going to become 7.276.